So what we're going to make today is Big Jim Country Boy's version of the sausage, egg, and cheese McMuffin and the egg McMuffin. Regular size, and we're going to coat this good with pan, some kind of cooking spray. I got olive oil. I'm going to put this part up. We're going to break the yolk. Hold pressure down a little bit until it gets started. If you get a little that runs out, you can cut it off and throw it back in the top. You hold pressure down on it so it don't leak again. Throw that back in there. Slippery bugger. You want to do this on low heat if you're going to form the eggs. There's how you do it. The whole thing, get under it. Now we're not eating these right away, we're preparing ahead. So if you have trouble getting it out of that ring, you can just let it cool down. But it's pretty non-stick if you spray it good. Once you get so far, you can pop your ring off. Slide your egg over here to let it finish cooking a little more internally. That's warm too. Now we can go with number two. Number two in the ring anyway. Try to do this without getting burnt this time. I have plenty of lids. I might as well use some more and speed the process up, huh? Tiger Kitty saw his girlfriend outside. He's out there hollering he wants to get out, but he's not going to get out. They slide around pretty easy if you push down on them. Be careful you don't burn your fingers. I'm using large eggs, but they're on the large side. So they're filling these up pretty good. I'd use the wide mouth lids if you have them. Now I try to slice it out of the tube, just because it makes it easier on me to form patties. Now mind you, the heat's been off. This is retaining a lot of heat. Re-oil it. I like to use a knife to split my English muffins. Just going to put them face down for a minute. Toast them just slightly. Put it on high for a minute, put some heat back into the griddle. While that's heating up, I'll cut some more muffins. Just a little toast is all you want, see? Just add that flavor. Don't burn up your cast iron. Keep it some, a little oil on it. I'm using olive oil. Try and turn that heat back off now because this is going to stay hot for a while. I bought these at Aldi's for $1.19 a package. There's 6 in a package. This ham we're going to use was $2.50, $2.99, something like that. $2 to $3 for deluxe yellow singles. A dozen and a half at $1.10 a dozen. Just because I didn't want to delinquish all my fresh eggs. And the sausage was $1.89. Spray this griddle down so I don't burn my season off. I'm going to set this to the side. You can see how the stove and griddle holds heat. Now, if we can get a spot to work on the stove here where we're not going to burn up, I'll show you how I just put these together quick. 1 English muffin, 1 top, 1 bottom. Piece of sausage, egg, one slice of cheese, 1 lid. Egg McMuffin variety. We take our ham, and this is less is more. It's about making that flavor like you get from that fast food joint. Couple thin slices of that smoky ham. You can use that Canadian bacon stuff, but it usually doesn't have the quite amount of smoke flavor. And this is cheaper. And there's that. $1 something for a box of 100 sandwich bags. buy this Scott paper towel. I took half a sheet, one small sheet, however you want to phrase it. Fold it over the edge, over the top. Stick it in a sandwich bag. Squeeze the air out, zip it shut. The paper towels to keep it nice and keep the bread nice when you pull this out of the freezer and microwave it for 2 minutes. I'll take my trusty Sharpie, and this is what I call an egg McMuffin. So I'm just going to put egg MC with ham. I thank you for watching this video. I hope it helps you make ends meet in tight times and save a little time in the morning too. And I hope this inspires you to cook something great. Until next time, this is Big Jim Country Boy. Thanks, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, and share on social media if you could, please. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever you use. Thank you.